Hello friends. Is your cruise control suddenly unresponsive or behaving strangely? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0594, it means there's a problem with the cruise control servo control circuit open. This can lead to cruise control failure, erratic speed control, or even unintended acceleration. In this video, I'll explain what P0594 means, its symptoms, where to find the key components, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0594? The P0594 code stands for Cruise Control Servo Control Circuit Open. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is detecting an open or faulty circuit in the cruise control servo system. The servo is responsible for adjusting and maintaining vehicle speed when cruise control is active. If this circuit is compromised, cruise control may stop working entirely. Common symptoms of P0594. Cruise control fails to activate or disengages unexpectedly. Cruise control light flashing or not turning on. Unresponsive cruise control buttons. Erratic acceleration when cruise control is engaged. Check engine light, CL, illuminated. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0594, you need to check these key components. Cruise control servo motor. Location, typically found near the throttle body or intake manifold. This motor adjusts throttle input when cruise control is engaged. Cruise control module, location, usually mounted under the dashboard or near the firewall in the engine bay. It communicates with the PCM to control vehicle speed. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, on the throttle body, near the intake manifold. This sensor helps regulate throttle response when cruise control is active. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, above the brake pedal under the dashboard. A faulty sensor can mistakenly shut off cruise control. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, running between the cruise control servo, module, and PCM. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause an open circuit fault. Tip: always check wiring connections, as loose or damaged connectors can trigger the P0594 code. Common causes of P0594, faulty cruise control servo motor. A damaged servo won't properly adjust throttle input. Broken or disconnected wiring. Corroded, frayed, or loose wiring can disrupt communication with the PCM. Defective cruise control module. If the module fails, it won't send proper signals to control vehicle speed. Malfunctioning brake pedal sensor. If the sensor falsely detects braking, it may disable cruise control. ECM/PCM software issues. A rare but possible cause. Updating or reprogramming may be necessary. How to fix P0594? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0594 code and check for any additional fault codes. Step 2. Inspect the cruise control servo motor. If it doesn't respond when cruise control is engaged, replace it. Step 3. Check the wiring harness. Look for damaged or corroded connectors and repair or replace them as needed. Step 4. Test the cruise control module. If it's faulty, replacing it may restore proper function. Step 5. Examine the brake pedal sensor. A faulty sensor may need adjustment or replacement. Step 6. Reset the ECM and test drive the vehicle to ensure the cruise control system is working properly. Ignoring P0594 can leave you without a functioning cruise control system, affecting your driving comfort and fuel efficiency. Fixing this issue early ensures smooth and safe operation. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0434. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit range performance, P0435. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit high input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.